Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unveil Universe. So today we are going to take a look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 introduction video by concept creator, and we'll take a look how the phone looks from the outside, and it's a 3D model so we can know the every aspect of the phone from the outside. So without wasting any further time, let's begin. So that was the introduction of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And what do you think about the Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Note 9? Tell me in the comment section below. And that's all for today. Hope you like the video. If you do like it, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Until then, peace.